Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a bike ride along the beautiful Stones River Trail in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This trail offers not only scenic views but also a rich history. The Stones River Trail is part of Murfreesboro's Greenway system, featuring over 17 miles of trails, bridges, and boardwalks. These paths wind through lush landscapes, following the West Fork of the Stones River. The trail is perfect for biking, walking, jogging, and enjoying nature. The river itself is named after Uriah Stone, an explorer who navigated it in 1767. The Stones River has three main branches, the West, Middle, and East Forks. Our trail follows the West Fork, which flows through Murfreesboro and eventually joins the Cumberland River near Nashville.
Thank you very much.
As we continue, we'll notice diverse natural habitats, including unique cedar glades. These open areas, found within the Stones River National Battlefield, host rare plants and showcase the region's ecological diversity. Thank you for joining us on this journey along the Stones River Trail in Murfreesboro, Tennessee.
watching.